event would be one of the last events that humans recognize before the kill shot sequence begins. We haven't seen that yet.
This prediction was revealed years ago to the public on the Coast to Coast AM radio show. At the time, the nation had zero nuclear capability, and the notion that they would use a nuclear weapon as an act of war was widely believed to be absurd.
Okay, friends, I'm going to play a little bit of this. This right here shows you some footage as the clouds pass by. Okay, the clouds are passing by Nibiru right here. Alright, I've heard people say, well, if Nibiru was that big, everybody'd be able to see it. Well, you got to remember this is a very bright evening, so it's probably illuminating a lot larger than it is, okay? But right there is that planet, okay? And it was a great capture, and everybody woohooed it, alright? It was a great capture, and it's not a lens flare. Clouds cannot pass in front of lens flares, okay? There's no trickery here. It is what it is, alright? It is an actual blue planet. You can see the blue to it. You know? So there you go, guys. That's enough to see on that one. God bless. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Okay, friends, we're going to take a look at this shot that came from, I think it's Costa Rica, in the mountains here. We're going to zoom in on this. Alright. I believe I can see it with this camera. I don't know. Anyway, right here is the object we're talking about. This is the sun. This is the mountain range here.